Looking for a speaker harness that fits your GM vehicle like it was made for it? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness delivers exactly that, quality and reliability you can count on. It's a GM recommended replacement part designed to match the original factory component perfectly. Why does this matter? Because when you replace a part in your vehicle's body electrical or lighting system, you want something that won't just work but will last. This harness is manufactured to GM original equipment specifications, ensuring it meets the same standards for fit, form, and function as the part that came with your car. I've seen firsthand how this harness simplifies speaker installation. One user praised it for making the process effortless, highlighting how it worked perfectly right out of the box. That kind of plug-and-play reliability means fewer headaches and less time spent troubleshooting connections. What you get is more than just a replacement part, you get peace of mind. The durability and service life align with what you expect from General Motors, so you're investing in a component that keeps your vehicle's electrical system running smoothly over time. If you're upgrading your sound system or fixing a faulty harness, this is worth a look. It's engineered specifically for GM vehicles, so compatibility isn't a question. The precision manufacturing ensures a seamless fit that maintains your car's original performance standards. Choosing the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness means avoiding the guesswork of aftermarket parts. It's built to the same quality benchmarks as your factory harness, preserving the integrity of your vehicle's wiring and reducing the risk of electrical issues. Ready to make your speaker installation easier and more reliable? This harness offers a straightforward, durable solution that aligns with your vehicle's original design. If that's you, consider upgrading with a part that GM itself recommends. Experience the difference a genuine GM replacement can make. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness keeps your vehicle's electrical system dependable and your audio setup hassle-free. Try it when you're ready to get the quality and fit you deserve.